Here I am at the second factory planet. I'm going to deposit resources as before. Drag that package in. Select all, drag it over, transfer down to the planet. And at this point I can actually go back to structure. The only time that you have to physically be in space is to send resources up and down. You can modify routes and your configurations while sitting on a structure. So closing these, and just to show the setup for setting up the factory feed. Select the factory, you can mouse over toxic metals and shuttle structures. That's what's needed for the consumer electronics. Both of these factories produce that. So select the launchpad where the resources are. Select shuttle structures, create route, double click, and do it again for the other factory. Select it again. Other resource it needs is toxic metals. Select storage, toxic metals, create route, double click that one. Toxic metals, create route, double click that one. Now if I click submit, it'll start production. Now the beauty of having the route set up is that every time in future that I come to drop off resources, I don't have to do this all again. The resource will permanently stay there, so I simply have to bring resources for all future drop-offs and deposits. So it's a bit of a schlep. There's a lot of mouse clicking involved initially to get all the routes set up, but luckily I only have to do that once per storage. So after I'm done setting up the factories on the left hand side, the excess resources I'm going to deposit into the storage facility, which is going to be used as my overflow. And then from there, unfortunately, I have to do all the clicking again, but it's just one time and then it's done. So in the future I can drop off resources, move all the excess in there as the expedited transfers allow, and then I should have enough resources permanently here to keep all the factories running 24/7, and all the products will be deposited into this launchpad, and then I can just come and launch from here to extract.